In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform a simple text prompt into a high-quality video using Google Flow. This tool is incredibly powerful, and getting the best results starts with clicking the settings gear icon right next to the prompt box. Here, you have two main options for the generation engine. You can select Veo 3.1 quality if you want stunning, high-detail visuals, or choose Veo 3.1 fast if you need results in a hurry. Once you have chosen the engine, you need to set your aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for widescreen cinematic videos or 9:16 if you are creating content for vertical formats like social media stories. Now that your settings are ready, it is time to write the prompt. The secret to a great video is using a structured description that covers three main areas. Start with the subject and action by describing exactly what is happening in the scene. Next, add cinematic flair by detailing the camera movement, like a dolly zoom or a slow side pan. Finally, define the style and lighting, such as a 35mm film look or moody neon lighting. For instance, you might type a cyberpunk car speeding down a wet highway at night with a low-angle tracking shot and photorealistic neon reflections. Once your prompt is perfect, just hit generate and watch the artificial intelligence bring your vision to life. It is truly that simple to create professional video content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you master Google Flow.